Hello and welcome. In this occasion, I want to show you the development process of a mobile application. Since mobiles are basically in every stage of our lives, so I decided to work in a very simple application. And the main objective is to manage to-do tasks. So in this time I'm using Flutter and also local storage to save my tasks. So this is the welcome or the landing page. As you can see in the main panel, uh, you can see the main tasks that are available. This button allows to add a new task. All right, so let's add a new one. And for example, we will add we should add a title and also a brief description. When we press the save button, this information is saved in local storage. All right, so as you can see, maybe you saw a toaster message in the bottom of the main panel. All right, so what else do I have developed so far? Also, I'm using a theme provider. As you can see, I go to dark mode. Okay, also it applies to the add new task for. All right, and I'm using languages provider. So for example, if I switch to Spanish, the very messages, the very basic messages of the application are displayed in a new or in a new languages. So also, as you can see, the tooltip is in another languages, and if I go to add a new task, the labels are in that in the active languages, and I will switch to English. And so far, so basically the labels are working as expected. But part to finish the remaining operations, such as edit information or delete information, and also maybe to use a different storage, maybe NoSQL or DBMS software. Which what I want to show or to practice in this demo is the unit testing, because for that is an important skills for any developer. Okay, so apart to be a very simple application, I think it's the right scenario to practice unit testing between other, because in Flutter we have at least 3 different type of testing. So for that, I've been working in. Let me show you this subdirectory. Okay, I have tests for the models, for the provider, and widgets, and of course for the main for the main class. Okay, so in the next video, I've been I will work with the I will work to show you the tests that have already written. Some of them work, some of them don't, and also after that, I would like to focus on the use of the provider. Okay, so the idea is to put an extra eye in the good practices of coding. Okay, and also how we can improve this simple application. Of course, um, it would be great to show what is the difference to test a mobile app using, for example, native web browser, which is possible in the case of Flutter, and how the same application looks for example, in an emulator such as this. So stay tuned, and I hope to see you in the next video.